All right, so this problem says find the volume of a right circular cone that has a height of 9.7 feet and a base with a radius of 7.6 feet. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So you always want to start off with reminding yourself what is the volume formula. Again, in this case, since we're dealing with a cone, it's going to be equal to 1/3 times the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r squared times height. So I always like to start off with a visual. So you want to draw out a cone, and the height in this case is 9.7. And this time they give us the radius. So there's nothing else to really solve for here. They're being kind with us. So the radius is equal to 7.6. So height, again, 9.7 feet. Radius, 7.6 feet. Okay. So when you compare that to the volume formula that we have our height checked off, and we've got our radius checked off. All we have to do at this point is substitute r and h into the formula, and then we can go ahead and use a calculator to solve because our calculator is our best friend. So at this point, you're just going to rewrite it and substitute the values in. So we have 1/3 times pi times 7.6 squared times 9.7. And here we go. I am showing you how I put that in the calculator. So when you do these problems in the calculator, you always sort of want to abide with PEMDAS, or order of operations. So you're gonna do the parentheses first. I did pi times 7.6 squared times 9.7. And then from here, multiplying by 1/3 is the same thing as dividing by 3. So we end up with this answer, 586.715. And when we're rounding to the nearest tenth, we end up with 586.7. So when I check my answer on DeltaMath, we get the right answer. Okay? This is essentially how we solve given radius, level 1. Got it? Questions?